shape, the beautiful wave design, soft touch knobs, toughened glass lid, high quality ceramic coating inside, and a die cast construction which lends special strengths to this series. The beauty of die cast is that your handles can be like this. There are no attachments, you see. There are no rivets, there is no welding. So these handles are for life. They will never get loose. The handles are coming out beautifully from the body itself. What is more is that you can actually use these pans in the OTG and even in your microwave in the convection mode. So yes, you can cook your cakes and bakes in these pans. And our customers use these pans to cook in them and then to proudly bring them on the table to serve. These pans always come in a set. Set of 3 pans looks beautiful because when you serve something, you serve your rice or biryani in this large pan which is 24 size, you serve your gravy here in this pan which is size 20, and you serve your raita or dal in this pan which is size 16. Together they look beautiful on your dining table, and you can, mind you can cook in all of them. You can use them on induction flame, on your gas, on your hob, on your cooktops, any kind of a surface. As I said, also on OTG and inside a microwave in convection mode. So very versatile, beautiful looking pans, and they come in different colors. The aquamarine color, the hot purple color, or the pink you may call it. It's very, very popular. This is deep purple, really nice for very classy homes. So depending on your setting of the living room, on your curtains, on the theme of your dining table, you can choose which color you want to go for. Ceramide pans have a unique coating. This is a very tough ceramic coating, which is healthy, food grade, and super tough. It's also eco-friendly. Now let me show you why this coating is so good. Look, we have been selling these pans, these very designs, because they are so popular for the last 4 years, and we are yet to receive a single complaint about its coating. We recommend that you always use silicone spatulas from Wonderchef in these pans. They don't scratch the surface. But let me show you a test with nails. Yes, steel and iron nails. Metal nails fail to create any impact on this food. So while you can also use metal spatulas or spoons sometimes, still we would recommend that you use silicone, because these pans will give you years and years of great service, and they will always look beautiful like this on your dining table as well.